the public to know that 4 of the 7 prisoners who escaped custody from the Orokabesa police station are now back in police custody. 3 of the 4 were charged for shooting with intent. 1 was charged for rape. They were held on 4 separate policing activities. And also I want to commend the relatives who cooperated with the police and collaborated in handing in the 4th one to the St. Ann police. So 4 of the 7 that escaped are now back in police custody. We want to also use this occasion to remind persons that to harbor fugitives is a criminal offense. We remain relentless in our efforts for the other 3 that remain at large. But at the same time, I am imploring the public. I know you have information out there. Find someone that you trust, find someone that you are confident in, and share that information with us so that we can bring those back into custody and so the rule of law can be applied as it should.